had no sign, no entrance. So, coming from creative director, was my job. I decided that we needed a new book, and my husband was kind enough to allow me to do this very expensive venture. But I think it's going to be awesome. I love it, and I think the people of Guana are going to love it too. And our new family of visitors and vacationers will know where they're at all times. The founding families on the island had a chance to say yes, no, and oh my God. Those were the three answers that I was allowed while designing. They all had a say in what we were doing, and it was an idea that we could all get behind. So this is the image that we wanted. Every other island has its own flavor. This is going to be ours. I'm thrilled that Great Guana is coming back online after Dorian. I thought we needed a personality like every island, so I think this is the good start. We're going to start doing fishing tournaments and start bringing some really nice people to the island.